Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, let Z be the set of all integers and R be a relation on Z defined as R is such that A is related to B, where A and B both integers. Two integers are related if A minus B is divisible by 5. Now you have to prove that R is an equivalence relation. Now first of all, you are given a R as a relation on Z. Set of integers to set of integers such that R is equals to the set of A is related to B, where A and B belongs to Z, such that A minus B is divisible by 5. Okay, this is the definition of your relation. Now you have to prove that R is an equivalence relation. So a relation is an equivalence relation if it satisfies three properties. First of all, you are going to check that whether your relation is reflexive or not. Then you are going to check whether your relation is symmetric or not, and then you are going to check your relation for transitivity. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then you are going to conclude that R is an equivalence relation. So let us start with symmetry or reflexivity. Now for reflexivity क्या होती है कि एक रिलेशन Z से Z तक डिफाइंड है. सो एवरी एलिमेंट, एवरी इंटीजर मस्ट बी रिलेटेड टू इटसेल्फ, देन अ रिलेशन इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव. सो लेट अस टेक an arbitrary integer. Now we have to check whether A is related to A or not. Consider A minus A. Consider A minus A. Now A minus A is equals to 0 and which is divisible by 5, which is divisible by 5. So 0 is divisible by 5. A that implies A is related to A. That means A belongs to R. Since A belongs to Z was arbitrary, so every integer is related to itself. That implies R is reflexive. Okay. Now you are going to check your relation for symmetry. Now for symmetry, आपका एक रिलेशन सिमेट्रिक कब होता है? जब if A is related to B, then B must be related to A. So let A is related to B. So AB belongs to this relation. So we are supposed to check whether B is related to A or not. If A is related to B, that implies that A minus B must be divisible by 5. That is the definition. If A is related to B, then A minus B is divisible by 5. That implies we can write A minus B as 5 lambda for some integer lambda. Now if A minus B is 5 lambda, then B minus A is also minus 5 lambda. तो मतलब which is a multiple of 5. That implies B minus A is also divisible by 5. So BA also belongs to relation R. If A is related to B, implies that B is also related to A. That implies that R is symmetric. Okay, and now we are going to check our relation for transitive. and a function is called transitive if A is related to B and B in turn is related to C, then A must be related to C. So let us take, let A is related to B and B is related to C. They both, these two ordered pairs are belonging to this relation. So our purpose is to show that A is also related to C. So we are going to check this thing. Now if A is related to B, that implies AB belongs to R, implies that A minus B is equals to 5 lambda, is some multiple of 5 for some integers lambda, and also B is related to C implies that B minus C is also a multiple of 5. B minus C is divisible by 5, that means B minus C is a multiple of 5 for some integer mu. Now we are going to check whether A is related to C or not. So consider A minus C. Now A minus C के अंदर आप B add और subtract कर सकते हैं. It won't change anything. Now you can rewrite this as A minus B plus B minus C, and A minus B is equals to 5 lambda and this is 5 mu. So this is, if lambda and mu are some integers, then lambda plus mu is also an integer. That implies A minus C is also a multiple of 5. So A is also related to C, and that must imply that R is transitive. Now if a relation is reflexive, R is symmetric and R is transitive also, then we can conclude that R is an equivalence relation.